Entrepreneurship is a little rare. Few people started because it's become cool these days because of Shark Tank. But your risk-taking capability is not because you couldn't think plan B or plan C. It's almost like the best time to start your venture, in my view, is actually on a campus. We have stopped listening to our own voice. Why do we get cold feet when we want to do something risky in life? Fear of failure, commitments, uncertainty, alternative options, plan B, plan C, etc. Most of you are being strategic, but you would have not taken actions on those strategies. You vaguely know there could be a plan B, you vaguely know there could be a plan C, but you have not taken any action upon it. So your risk-taking capability is not because you couldn't think plan B or plan C. It's almost like chess. You couldn't think of the next two moves or the next three moves. You should be able to execute them as well. So many a times people think that people who are risky are little irrational players as well. That's kind of true to a certain extent. If you think too much of plan B, plan C, if you think too much of commitments, if you think too much of comfort zones, if you don't think of alternatives, then you will live the path that million others have lived. So a lot is about finding that balance. Can I embrace uncertainty and embrace risk? So many a times when we use the term can we take risks, I would want to change the language. Can we embrace risks? Can we embrace uncertainty? People who just rely on plan B, C, D, E, etc. are too much overemphasized on it, tend to take little less risk. There is a fine balance, and that balance will come from you. There is a voice that all of us have. We all have that. The problem is few people hear that voice more. Few people are just, for whatever reason, in the rat race of life or whatever, we have stopped listening to our own voice. We succumb that voice. Oh, you know that you don't want to sit for placements, you want to start a venture. Arey, what will my parents say? Arey, what will my peers say? Let me do it, I have a huge loan. I'm not calling those reasons bad, but I'm saying that there is a distinction between people who will take that risk and people who will not be able to take that risk. Otherwise, all of us have that voice inside of us. And I would also want to say that the world belongs to those who will hear that voice. We don't want to follow people who are followers. We want to follow people who are leaders, who have something unique to offer, and that uniqueness comes from inside all of us.
That's really nice. And since you spoke about starting your own venture versus sitting for placements, I think there's a lot of opportunities that we as B schoolers have. What do you think are some questions we should be asking ourselves before we venture on to something that looks extremely impressive on paper?
So when I left BCG, I had revenue coming from GGI. When Mark Zuckerberg left Harvard Business School, he had revenue coming from Facebook. I know there is a huge humility in me when I compare Zuckerberg to myself, but there is a lot of commonality when it comes to the decision-making matrix. So two options, once again I'm structuring it down, still obsessed with structure. For example, I'm sure this would be the case at IIMS, at ISB, which is my alma mater. They allow you to sit again for placements after 1 or 2 years. So you could be an entrepreneur in residence, or you could defer your placement, because now schools are also realizing one of the major outcome of business studies can be startup. So if you have that facility, fantastic. If you don't, you all can request your school committee as well. If not this year, the future generations will bear the benefit of it. That's one way. Second, I love that you asked me this question, and I love that I'm sitting here while answering this. I started GGI when I was an ISB student. There is an economics concept called opportunity cost, the value of the next best alternative. What's the next best alternative while you are a student on an MBA campus? What are you missing out on? So you could have used the same, I suppose, 20-30 lakhs, whatever is the amount for your fees. You could have invested it in market. You could have taken a trip this year. You could have been in a job. Now that you have taken this decision, are you missing out on anything? You are here. So the best time to start your venture, in my view, is actually on a campus. I was able to start Global Governance Initiative, and I was able to extend it during my tenure at BCG. I was working 5 days as a consultant, and weekends I was pulling off GGIA. And then there came a sweet, nice spot where I was able to match my BCG salary through GGIA. And I knew, okay, this is the time when I can take a leap of faith. So when a lot of people ask me, oh Shatakshi, you are so bold, you were able to take that risk, there was a voice coming inside of me. I'm going back to that voice. And I matched that voice with managing uncertainty or embracing risk in my life. And I took that leap of faith. So if howsoever many of you want to start a venture, entrepreneurship is a little rare. Few people start it because it's become cool these days because of Shark Tank. But very few pursue it. And if you pursue it, there will come a time where it will financially also reward you. Then you start pursuing it full time. It's just not my story. It's the story of most of the successful people who have been doing this day in, day out. So there is a concept, or many people romanticize founders' sacrifice for salary. I think it's all bullshit. You need money to run your home. You need money to have financial freedom. You need money to call shots in your life. And once that sweet spot comes, at least start now if you're interested. And sooner than later, if you're at it, maybe the MVP, which is minimum viable product, or the product market fit will not come right now. But if you're at it, if you know this is what I want to do, then you will be able to smoothly transition yourself from one side of the world to the other.